Hello. Are you tired of clunky motorcycle boots that make you feel like you're clomping around in medieval armor every time you hop off your bike? You're not alone. Today, we're talking about the 7 best casual motorcycle shoes of 2025. Shoes that keep you safe on your ride while looking slick and feeling comfy off the bike. Let's dive in. First things first, why even bother with casual motorcycle shoes? Well, we all know traditional riding boots are protective, but let's face it, they're not winning any awards for style or comfort off the bike. Casual motorcycle shoes, on the other hand, give you the best of both worlds: solid protection and street smart style. And no more of those awkward, squeaky walks through the grocery store. Before we get into the top picks, here's what you should look for in casual motorcycle shoes. First, make sure they have abrasion resistant materials because your sneakers won't cut it in a slide. Ever seen that video where they're shredding to pieces? Next, you want to make sure you have impact protection. Reinforced toes, heels, and ankle guards are key. You also want to make sure you have crush-proof soles for those unexpected moments when your bike decides to take a nap on your foot. And finally, throw in some comfort and style. After all, you're gonna walk in them too. Alright, so now that we know what to look for, let's check out the top contenders for 2025. Coming in at number 7, we have the TCX Street 3 WP shoes. This handsome shoe borrows old school style from Vans' popular skate high sneaker, but hides a heavy dose of protective features beneath its attractive exterior. As the name suggests, the Street 3 is the ideal motorcycle shoe for casual street riding. When it comes to the protection in the shoe, one of our favorite things is the Z-plate technology found in the midsole of the Street 3, which provides heavy-duty lateral crush protection while still flexing naturally when you're walking off the bike. Combine that with an ortholite insole, and you've got one of the most comfortable and stylish CE-certified riding shoes on the market. Up next at number 6 are the Alpine Stars J6 waterproof shoes. Nike fans rejoice. The Alpine Stars J6 shoes are about as close to a Dunk High or Jordan 1 as you'll find, with proper road-going safety features. Unlike your favorite pair of Dunks, however, these motorcycle shoes are fully waterproof, making them ideal for daily riders who occasionally get caught in the rain. Outside, the J6 gets a premium look and feel courtesy of a full-grain leather upper, while inside, a soft padding lining keeps your feet from rubbing against protective bits in the heel and ankles. We'll also note that the J6 is one of the few casual motorcycle shoes that sport solid reinforcements in the toe box, which helps justify the asking price. Coming up next at number 5 is the Forma Hyper Boot. If you've ever slipped on a pair of Forma's popular adventure boots, you'll know these folks take boots seriously. Their Hyper Boot is a casual motorcycle shoe that applies the same ethos to a high-top sneaker with high style. The Hyper Boot gets props from us for its full-grain leather upper, which Forma wraps around additional hard protection for the heel cup, toe box, and ankles. Combine that with a waterproof, breathable Dry-Tex liner, and you've got a great 3-season riding shoe that works as hard as it plays from the daily commute to weekend rides in the mountains. Taking the number 4 spot on the list are the Alpine Stars Faster 4 riding shoes. While some of us choose a riding shoe over a traditional boot for their low-profile nature, some folks prefer a more moto-centric look in their motorcycle shoes. If something a little more track-inspired sounds like your bag, Alpine Stars Faster shoes have always been the benchmark in this category. This year, Alpine Stars gave the Faster a complete ground-up redesign, and the latest Faster 4 is by far the best to date. With generous amounts of hard TPU protection in the heel, hard sliders at the ankles, and acres of tough microfiber everywhere in between, the Faster 4 easily earns its CE certification with above-average protection for a riding shoe. What really makes the Alpine Stars Faster 4 special, though, is the fact that they've only gotten more comfortable over the years. The shoe is surprisingly flexible for something that protects so well, and we're particularly fond of the large padded area above the Achilles tendon, which adds comfort and prevents blisters when the shoes are cinched down tight. Next on the list at number 3 are the TCX Dartwood GTXs. These shoes are another longtime favorite of ours as they mix high-top chukka construction with a little boat shoe style inspiration. The result is a pair of riding shoes that look great with jeans but can pull double duty around the office with your favorite pair of chinos. Of course, this is a TCX shoe we're talking about here, so there's a lot more to love about the Dartwood GTXs than style alone. For instance, that familiar flexible yet crush-proof Z-plate shank is at work here, as is full-grain leather construction and added padding and reinforcement in the heels and toes. And as the name suggests, these Dartwoods are also backed by a Gore-Tex liner for reliable weather protection. You'll have to shell out some extra cash for the Gore-Tex Flex, but the premium look and feel of the all-leather Dartwoods is well worth the money. Coming up next at the number 2 spot are the Dainese Metractive Air Shoes. The folks at Dainese recently purchased TCX, which means their latest lineup of casual motorcycle shoes have inherited all the best parts of the brand's renowned safety and design. The Metractive Air shoes were designed for maximum comfort and protection both on and off the bike. The casual styling and low profile protection makes these shoes perfect for the urban rider. A ventilated knit upper in combination with the Ortho Light footbed provides excellent breathability so you can stay comfortable even in hot conditions. Reinforcements on the heel, ankle, and gear area, plus Ground Track's asymmetrical tread geometry provide safety and control. And sliding into the number 1 spot on the list are the Core-Tech Menace riding shoes. We know we're not alone in wishing the folks at Converse would make a CE certified version of their classic All-Star sneaker. That day may never come, but thankfully Core-Tech's Menace riding shoes are here to scratch the itch in the meantime. The Menace swaps Converse's classic cotton canvas for a heavy-duty polyester, which looks the part while doubling down on abrasion resistance. You'll also find molded hard parts in the heel and toe beneath the Menace's low-profile exterior, which work in tandem with a crush-resistant midsole to meet EN standards. Now, if I had to pick a favorite, it's gotta be either the Alpine Star J6s, the TCX Dartwood GTXs, or maybe even the Dainese Metractive Air shoes. Why? Because they've got the perfect mix of safety, comfort, and that sleek design that just screams, yeah, I ride. These are probably the coolest looking ones out of the whole bunch, and they offer some great protection as well. So there you have it, 7 of the best casual motorcycle shoes of 2025. Whether you're commuting, cruising, or cafe hopping, there's a pair here for every rider. Let me know in the comments which one's your favorite, or if we missed your go-to casual riding shoes, make sure and let us know that as well. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tips, gear reviews, and motorcycle adventures. Ride safe, ride in style, and I'll see you in the next video. Oh yeah, and if you're thinking about picking up a pair of these riding shoes for yourself, make sure and check the description down below for links to your favorites.